Hey, what's going on, guys? So I just wanted to let you know what it is that I see on the Aussie dollar. What we have here, price action today, we saw this widespread up bar closing off the highs and no longer making any progress. You also see as volume came back in, you have all these wicks. This price area is getting rejected, so it appears there's a lot of selling going on here. If we zoom into the 5-minute chart, knowing that we have that weakness, zoom out a little bit. So you can see price went down a little bit, then it rallied back up. Now if you come over here, if you look at this candle right here, right there, you'll see that it's a small body closing off the high on increased volume. I look at this as supply hitting the market. So as price tries to get through it, you'll see this, another widespread, or I'm sorry, somewhat narrow spread, high volume closing off the highs, so that indicates that there's a lot more selling still present there. As you can see, if we take a look at this area, every time it comes into this area on high volume, it gets instantly rejected. Here it happens again there, it's happening again there, and it happens again there. So if price can't get above this, or the price can't get above this because it's being heavily sold into, we can expect down moves to continue. Now if you look down here, you can see that we still have a little bit of demand. Price comes down and then it gets rejected. So I guess what we can safely say is we have a little bit of a trading range between these two levels. What I'd like to see is a somewhat decent medium-sized candle breaking through, closing on the lows with no demand to follow, and we can then look to get into the 50 to 618 fib of this move. But really what I would like to see is price come back down and test this candle right here. As you can see, it went down, it went up, it was kind of like a little indecisive on what it wanted to do. And as it pushed through, but that looked to me just like more of like a lack of selling interest. I don't think it really pushed through all the selling that was present. I just think maybe sellers at this point just gave up and price continued to rise. So maybe maybe like 63, 64 pips, something like that. But no trade, of course. Right now it's only 11 p.m. and I need this price level to break before I even consider. Anyway, that's what I see. All right.